Well, I did it again. I bought a pack of German Army knives from 108mm ones from, well, I think the only site that still has them listed. I'll throw it up in the comments. But these just arrived, and so let's dig in here, see what we got. These came from Finland. Set that down. I think I can just tear it the rest away. Let's see here. I thought I could. Apparently they package stuff in paper bags that don't want to tear. Alright, back to knife. Could have planned this out a little bit better and opened everything up beforehand. But that's no fun. People watch me struggle. Aha! There we go. We'll just dump it out. On the table. Alright, let's see what we got here. So, as always, there's quite a few manufacturers of these. So, hoping the goal is, get some Victorinox ones. And, chassis, this one here is an 8er. Sweet. Still not bad. The saw is mighty stuck. Yeah, that's not coming out. Alright. Overall, I mean, saw's not stuck, but the corkscrews not bent or damaged. Normally, a lot of times they're the tip's broken off. And that guy's not moving. So we'll come back to that another time. We'll clean it up. Gak number 2. Again, overall, it looks still in good shape. It looks like it's been dropped a few times on the end. That guy is really soft. I'm assuming this is not, whoa, holy, no blade, Batman. CCM. So not a great one, but yeah, like I said, the blade was, the corkscrew was really soft there, so assumed the rest is not so great as well. Alright, set that aside. Number 3 is another CCM. This one seems like it has a little bit better action. There, all seems to be sunken down in there. Alright. Next one. Oh, this is a Gen 2 one, at least with the file on it. Also doesn't. Oh, it is a Victorinox one. The blade tip looks a little rounded, so yeah. Maybe we'll be able to send it back in for repair. Otherwise, looks like it got dropped there. A little snappy action there, but yeah, overall, we got a Victorinox. What's the last one? Alright, this one, overall shape, looks pretty decent. Doesn't even look like it's been dropped much. Alright. Damn. Well, saw's definitely been used. It's got some love marks on there. Looks like the shield stayed in. Alright, we're just going to pull the shield out. Alright. It'll make life a tad bit easier there. Good. Not so good a snap on the awl. And what's this? Another Victorinox. So, out of the 5, we got 2. An 8er's not bad as well. They're, I think they're Spanish maker, but Yeah, so we got 2 Victorinox, one Gen 2 one with the file match lighter, and apparently after that last one I do need to file. So the yeah, overall looks like the CCM ones are the worst for wear. We got what, 2 of those, so I'll just open the blades up. So the Vic blades have seen some use, so both of them are have the tips rounded off, so we'll send those guys back. And so yeah, that's 801 is in good shape blade wise, and last CCM not so great. Alright, so that's the collection. I'll throw the link up in the notes. But yeah, probably if these don't get sent back, they'll get used in a mod of some sort. But yeah, always on a hunt for gaks, and this was the last surplus website I found. So had to wait almost a month for them to come from Finland, but it seems to be worth it. Got 2 out of 5, not too bad. Could have been better, but hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.